Alright, this is tour of my 2006 Freightliner Columbia. Right here is the dash and my steering wheel, which I'm gonna change. I'm gonna put premium quality. Over here is the dashboard with all the switches. Right here is the 13-speed transmission. Here's the driver's seat. This space right here, we remove the chair so we can have some extra space here. So this is how it looks like. There's a compartment up here for storage, some spots right here. Over here I got my so like that. So right here I got my AC. This AC, right here I have a connection with the generator, and right here I got some spots over here, so some storage. Over here a few more spots. Right here I got this wooden bar, this slate. I can use it to keep my clothes, some extra spare water. This is my bed right over here, you see, and I throw my dirty clothes right in here in this bag over here. And on my right here I got this spot for storage, and then I also got this spot right here for the storage. Now I'm gonna show you from the outside. Okay, I'm gonna go from this side. So we got a Detroit 60 14-liter 515 horsepower engine. What a beast motor this is. You can look over here, the condition. The motor right here. See, in the back I gotta show you, I have generator Fairman over here, 1500. Oh no, actually this is 2100 watt. I plug my AC on it. What a great generator this is. On my tires in the back. Go one tour from the other side. Gonna put the hood back down. Tires in the back. This is it.